Hi friends, my name is Yogesh and I am an MEP consultant. The reason I took up this topic is I had an architect friend of mine visit my project site office, and he was discussing with a colleague of mine regarding his ongoing projects in general, where he mentioned that one of his project was held up because of the redesign. The redesign was being done to optimize the equipment selection to meet the allocated power requirements. Well, designers and engineers will have to ensure in the future selection of high energy efficient equipments to meet the allocated power provided for their projects, to avoid a rework in redesign of the services and systems. Energy efficiency will be the key. Authorities worldwide will have more stringent regulations in allocation of power in future, considering the problems like greenhouse gas emissions, global warming, and high cost of generation, etc. At the same time, the reality remains that the demand for the energy will keep on increasing. Hence, having the correct solution is the key. So we helped our friend by replacing the conventional water heaters with an equipment called as the heat pump. And this way we could manage the demand within the allocated power requirements. Also, with the heat pump, he got a dual advantage of heating and cooling, wherein we used the cold air of the heat pump for the FAHU for pre-cooling, and on the condenser side, the hot water generated was used for the apartments for domestic use. Here we have explained how we reduced the connected load of this particular building. The building was a 2B plus ground plus 8 plus roof with 125 numbers of apartments and some retail spaces. 129 numbers of water heaters were to be installed in all, and the connected load approximately for each water heater was around 1.2 kilowatt. For 129 numbers water heaters, we required about 154.8 kilowatt of total connected load. Now we planned to replace this with the heat pump, and the connected load required now was only 30 kilowatt, which means we saved about 124.8 kilowatt in the connected load. This reduction not only helped us to manage the electrical load requirements within the parameters of the allocated load, but also helped us in achieving savings, as the sizing of these electrical components like breakers, cables, panels, etc. reduced by 124.8 kilowatts. Advantages that our architect friend received because of replacing the conventional water heaters with the heat pump was reduction in the connected load from 154.8 kilowatt to only 30 kilowatt, reduction in sizes of electrical components like breakers, cables, panels, cable trays, etc., and hence the cost saving achieved. Number 3, cold air from heat pump used for pre-cooling in FAHU reduced load on the FAHU coil. Hence, this way we helped the architect friend of ours and he returned a happy man. So friends, this is it for this video, and in our next video we will be discussing more in detail on the heat pump technology and how it could be useful for all. Till then, cheers and goodbye. Thanks.